Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel again. So, in this video, we'll be talking about what is inbound sales versus what is outbound sales. You might have heard this term in your sales industry, and today we're gonna cover what typically is an inbound sales and outbound sales. So, without further ado, let's get started. Hey guys, so let's get started with inbound sales and what really happens in an inbound sales operation, how the call is booked, and how the deal is closed. So, in this process, the prospect, whether he is on any kind of social media platform, the brand is typically running a ad, or the company is running an ad on Facebook or Instagram or on LinkedIn or on any kind of social media platform. The prospect gives his number and email ID, which is known as the lead, and the and it transfers to the SDR or the BDR, which is known as the sales development representative, which books the appointment for the closer, and the closer closes the deal. And this is how the sale is done in this process. It's a typical simple process, and the company or the brand doesn't approaches to the prospect. The prospect comes to the brand and registers if he or she is interested in its product or service. He gives his number and email ID, and the lead is generated in the company's operating system, and through that the deal is closed by the closer. And yeah, that's all about inbound sales. And now let's talk about what is outbound sales and how does it operates its business and it generates leads or whatever books calls in its business. So it goes like the company or the brand has some their cold callers, their outbound setters who are responsible for generating calls, generating leads for the company to book the call. So these cold callers, these SDR, BDR, or whatever you call them, these guys approach people directly through cold calling, through cold emailing, and any kind of outreach method, whether it's paid or any kind of method. They approach to their particular targeted prospects, and whether these and qualify them, whether these guys are and see whether these guys are pre-qualified or qualified for the product or service, and whether they are in need of such kind of product or service. So through them they book the call and make the sale. And this is how outbound sales system works. In this system, the company approaches by itself to the prospects, and with cold calling, with cold emailing, with cold text messages also. You can say whatever you want through outbound setters, outbound phone callers and phone setters. And these are the medium for who booked the call for the company and qualify them, whether these guys are validated for the product or the service, and make the sale. Yeah, so sorry guys, the presentation might not be very professional and very good looking, but I think I provided my value to you and what I wanted to deliver to you. So, what you should preferably start as an outbound sales position or an inbound sales position. So, to be very frank and 100% transparent with you, I think you should absolutely go with outbound sales position at any cost, as it enables you, it enhances your qualities to discover the sales process, and it can absolutely pay off such dividends for your future sales career. And it will open the path of how the lead system works, how to scrap the leads, how to generate the leads, how to cold call, how to cold email. And I think you should start with outbound sales position, and as I described in this video. So yeah, that's all about in this video. And if you are liking my videos and my content, so please like, share and subscribe to this video. And if it be very motivating and helpful for me. So yeah, this video, until then, this video is all this about, and for the next time, see you. Bye bye.